if you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy S25 to your PC and transfer data, you will need to use a USB cable, and USB cable that is of course compatible both with your phone and the computer, because if you don't have USB-C input in your port in your computer, then of course you will need to use a different USB cable. In my case, I have USB-C into USB-A, so I can connect it to my computer and simply use the USB cable to connect these two devices together. Now, once it is connected, you can also go to notifications in order to find USB for file transfer, and we can tap in order to see all options. And essentially you want to make sure that transferring files / Android Auto is selected over here. Then you should be able to go to your computer and find your phone over there with all the folders and files that you have on your phone, and you can easily transfer data like this. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!